Theta value equivalent to 18.5449 rands a coin. The present cost range 18.3543 to 19.2665. The earlier day close 19.0043. The change was 0.4594, 2.42%. Opposite rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27, cost 19.83 rands, high 21.22, low 18.44. Theta estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 18.54 rands, high 19.84, low 17.24. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 19.24 rands, high 20.59, low 17.89. Theta gauge on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 18.26 rands, high 19.54, low 16.98. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Friday. Walk 31, cost 18.86 rands, high 20.18, low 17.54. Theta gauge on Monday. April 3, cost 17.99 rands, high 19.25, low 16.73. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday. April 4, cost 19.53 rands, high 20.90, low 18.16. Theta gauge on Wednesday. April 5, cost 19.56 rands, high 20.93, low 18.19. Theta cost forecast on Thursday. April 6, cost 18.38 rands, high 19.67, low 17.09. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Friday. April 7, cost 18.98 rands, high 20.31, low 17.65. Theta cost forecast on Monday. April 10, cost 19.76 rands, high 21.14, low 18.38. Theta gauge on Tuesday. April 11, cost 21.42 rands, high 22.92, low 19.92. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12, cost 21.55 rands, high 23.06, low 20.04. Theta gauge on Thursday. April 13, cost 22.64 rands, high 24.22, low 21.06. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Friday. April 14, cost 20.75 rands, high 22.20, low 19.30. Theta figure on Monday. April 17, cost 19.82 rands, high 21.21, low 18.43. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost 19.33 rands, high 20.68, low 17.98. Theta figure on Wednesday. April 19, cost 19.78 rands, high 21.16, low 18.40. Theta cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost 19.21 rands, high 20.55, low 17.87. In about a month Theta figure on Friday. April 21, cost 18.67 rands, high 19.98, low 17.36. Theta cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost 16.98 rands, high 18.17, low 15.79. Theta figure on Tuesday. April 25, cost 16.60 rands, high 17.76, low 15.44. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 20.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.36, while low cost 15.79. Found the middle value of cost 19.41. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18.86, change for spring 8.6%. Theta estimate for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 18.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.22, while low cost 15.44. Found the middle value of cost 19.31. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18.72, change for April 0.7%. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 18.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.09, while low cost 18.72. Found the middle value of cost 20.53. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 21.58, change for May 15.3%. Theta figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 21.58 rands. Excessive cost 26.78, while low cost 21.58. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.74. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 25.03, change for June 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. Initially cost at 25.03 rands. Excessive cost 25.03. while low cost 19.56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.66. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 21.03. Change for July 16.0%. Theta figure for August 2023. Initially cost at 21.03 rands. Excessive cost 21.03, while low cost 16.43. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.04. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.67. Change for August 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 17.67 rands. Excessive cost 20.72, while low cost 17.67. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.86. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.36. Change for September 9.6%. Theta conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 19.36 rands. Excessive cost 20.39, while low cost 17.73. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.14. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.06. Change for October 1.5%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 19.06 rands. Excessive cost 19.06, while low cost 15.81. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.73. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.00. Change for November 10.8%. Theta conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 17.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.75, while low cost 17.00. The found the middle value of cost 18.54. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.39. Change for December 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 19.39 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.39, while low cost 16.79. The found the middle value of cost 18.41. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 18.05. Change for January 6.9%. Theta gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 18.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.05, while low cost 14.10. They found the middle value of cost 16.34. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.16. Change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 15.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.16, while low cost 11.84. They found the middle value of cost 13.72. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.73. Change for spring 16.0%. ZAR to Theta conversion scale equivalent to 0.0539 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0519-0.0545. The earlier days nearby 0.0526. Change for now plus 0.0013 plus 2.